is another installation that we're gonna paint. I just got here to explore the surroundings, and it's a profound experience, I'll tell you that. It takes a while to get here, but you ride through incredible landscape. Flowers are already blooming, so you get this carpet of yellow tiny flowers with huge fans in the background. The mountains are blue and snowy, and then you get here in the middle of nowhere and you have sort of like an organic antenna of sorts, and at the same time a projector. The text about this piece is incredible. I was rushing to just capture the video, but when we get here we'll just talk more about this idea of loss, ecological loss, and I think it's an incredible piece. So hope you join us. We have to decide which day. I think it's gonna be the first installation that we're gonna paint, but it's not windy at all today. It's exciting, and I feel like there's something, I'm by myself. There's something about to happen if I press this. Again, hope you join us this
It's like God in a way.
week, because this is pretty spectacular.
The art, the soap of the
Perhaps
sea,
one of my favorites so
the sun
far.
of the sea.